to Spoiler Zone, where we dissect and narrate the untold truths behind cinema's compelling tales. Today, we dive into Rocketry, The Nambi Effect, a gripping biopic chronicling the roller coaster life of Nambi Narayanan, a brilliant aerospace engineer and unsung hero of Indian space exploration. Set against the backdrop of 1994 Kerala, the film plunges us into the chaos that erupts as the headline-grabbing espionage charges against Nambi Narayanan explode onto the scene. Overnight, his reputation disintegrates, turning his family into social pariahs. The tragedy is palpable as his children, Geeta and Shankar, are subjected to brutal assaults by peers, embodying the cruel fallout of society's quick judgment. Fast forward to 2013, where Nambi, played with nuanced depth by R. Madhavan, sits down for a revelatory interview with Tamil film icon Surya. Through this candid dialogue, we journey back in time, unraveling the tapestry of Nambi's illustrious career and the calamitous turn it took. From the bustling Thamba Equatorial Rocket Launching Station, where a young Nambi saves future President APJ Abdul Kalam from a near-fatal accident, we follow his academic pursuits at Princeton University. Nambi's tenure at Princeton is a whirlwind of academic brilliance and audacious challenges. His MSc in Chemical Rocket Propulsion, under the tutelage of Professor Luigi Crocco, showcases his defiance of norms. Nambi's bold corrections to Crocco's teachings earn him respect and a coveted NASA fellowship. Yet, driven by a burning patriotism, he declines lucrative offers abroad to channel his expertise into India's burgeoning space program. Back in India, Nambi is entrusted with advancing liquid-fueled rocket technology. His relentless drive takes him to international shores, striking a pivotal alliance with the French. The narrative here captures the ingenuity and guile as Nambi and his team outmaneuver French resistance to learn and adapt their technology for India. His creation, the Vikas engine, stands as a monumental achievement, propelling ISRO to new heights and ensuring its reliability over decades. Nambi's ambition doesn't stop at liquid propulsion. He eyes the elusive cryogenic technology, crucial for India's competitive edge in satellite launches. His clandestine negotiations with Russia, set against the geopolitical tension of the Cold War's end, are a masterclass in strategic diplomacy. The film thrillingly portrays how Nambi, amid collapsing Soviet order and American interference, secures the technology in a cloak-and-dagger operation that would make any spy thriller proud. But triumph turns to tragedy as Nambi, amidst these high-stakes maneuvers, finds himself accused of treason. The film captures the brutal reality of his arrest on 30th November 1994. His ordeal in custody, marred by torture and coerced confessions, is a harrowing testament to his resilience. As the truth unravels through a meticulous investigation led by CBI official PM Nair, the charges against Nambi crumble, exposing a sinister plot to derail India's cryogenic ambitions. Emerging from the abyss of false accusations, Nambi confronts a life in tatters. His wife, Meena, and children bear the scars of societal scorn. Determined to clear his name and restore his family's honor, Nambi returns to ISRO, where he revives the faltering cryogenic project and contributes to the landmark Mangalyaan mission. His exoneration by the Supreme Court and subsequent accolades, including the Padma Bhushan, reclaim his legacy, but the film poignantly reminds us of the personal and professional toll of his ordeal. Rocketry, The Nambi Effect, is not just a narrative of space exploration but a profound commentary on integrity, perseverance, and the often overlooked personal sacrifices behind scientific triumphs. Madhavan's portrayal of Nambi Narayanan is a 2D force, blending intellectual rigor with emotional depth. The film's meticulous detailing of Nambi's professional milestones and the emotional gravitas of his wrongful persecution make it a compelling watch for anyone interested in the unsung heroes of science and justice. As we reach the end of this gripping saga, Rocketry, the Nambi Effect serves not merely as a tribute to Nambi Narayanan's scientific prowess but as a profound exploration of human endurance and integrity in the face of overwhelming adversity. The narrative arc concludes with a powerful redemption, as Nambi's tireless efforts are finally recognized, culminating in his pivotal role in India's space triumphs, including the celebrated Mangalyaan mission. His personal and professional vindication is solidified by the Supreme Court's exoneration, the Padma Bhushan Award, and substantial compensations from the government. Yet, the film leaves us contemplating the heavy costs of his journey. Nambi's resilience not only fuels India's space ambitions but also illuminates the darker facets of human nature and institutional failure. As we walk away from this cinematic experience, we are reminded that true heroes often emerge from the shadows of their trials, and their stories, like Nambi's, inspire us to reach for the stars despite the gravity of our challenges.